So today I'm going to share with you how you can make $1 per minute using Fiverr.com. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. Alright, so if you don't know, Fiverr.com is one of the biggest freelancing websites online. They get millions of visitors every single month, mostly from people looking to hire freelancers for specific tasks and different things that they need for their business. Now, a few months ago, I've made this video where I talked about how I made over $4,000 working on Fiverr, basically creating a simple little gig that took me about 10 to 15 minutes to deliver. And basically I was able to make over $4,000 doing this without any special skills, and basically something that anyone could do from anywhere in the world. So I'm going to link to that video below if you want to check it out. But in this video, I want to show you a different method on how you can utilize Fiverr to provide a different type of service and how you can make $1 per minute providing this service. And I'm actually going to show you some proof that there's people making money using this method. Before we jump into that, if you're interested in learning how to make big money online with affiliate marketing, I have a free guide that shows you how you can make a full-time income online using affiliate marketing. Because let's face it, everyone wants to know how to generate an extra $1,000, $2,000, even $10,000 per month. And the best way to do that is using affiliate marketing. So if you want to download that free guide, it's over 40 pages long. It's going to teach you how to start a business online using affiliate marketing. All right, so with that in mind, let's jump into my computer. All right, guys, so this method involves offering a transcription service on Fiverr. I'm going to show you an example on how you can make money using this, and how you don't have to do a lot of work in order to offer this type of service. And you can see many different transcription services being offered on Fiverr. But I picked this one as an example mainly because it had a really good rating of 4.9 and over 1,000 sales. So that means this person is doing really good with their gig. And if you go down, you can see there's a level 2 seller with 21 orders in queue, and their basic plan is about $5 for 10 minutes. So they're offering to transcribe an audio or video interview, podcast, webinar, whatever that is, for up to 10 minutes, and that's going to cost $5 delivered in about 24 hours. Now you might be asking yourself, how can they do something like this for about $5? Now the thing is, most people don't buy the basic $5 transcription because they want to make sure that, if they're going to transcribe something, that is done properly. So if you go to the standard one, and if you type here, let's say we type 30 minutes, you can see it says $25 here for 30 minutes. If you go to the premium, you can see $35 for 60 minutes in less than 24 hours. And you can imagine that each of those orders on average might be $15 to $20 per order. Now, how can you do something like this yourself? And so what I'm going to do is share with you multiple websites which allow you to offer a service like this on Fiverr or anywhere else you want to offer this service. The first one is called Temi.com. And what it does basically is it charges you 10 cents per minute. So you take an audio or a video file, you upload it, and it will automatically transcribe everything on that audio. Now, because it's automated, it's a much cheaper option. So that means, you can use this to create a draft, and then from there you can, edit or fix whatever mistakes from that automated transcription. And you see some of the examples that they have. You click on it, you can see how you can see how it works. It's very simple. Once you upload the video, the audio, and then it would automatically start creating that transcription. And of course, if you're going to use something like this, what you want to do is make sure that you read the whole thing and there's no mistakes or anything. Now, if you want to go the more manual way, you can use Rev.com, which is $1 per audio minute, and basically they'll deliver that in about 12 hours with 99% accuracy. And that means there's real people doing the transcription for you. It's not automated, and you're gonna get a work that's 100% completed. You don't have to edit or do anything, and basically you can deliver that to your client. Now, this is just one of them. The next one that I have for you is called Scribby.com. Temi.com, and it's pretty similar to the first one, to Temi.com. You upload the file and it'll cost you about 10 cents per minute, and then from there you can also pay for manual transcription, and you can see 80 cents per minute. It's a little bit cheaper than the previous one, but it takes longer, and it still has a 99% accuracy. So there's multiple options, guys, that you can use to provide this type of service. But the key aspect of making money with this is not getting one order every week. It's getting multiple orders per day, because the more volume in orders you get, the more money you'll be able to make. So what you need in order to make money using this method is to have a Fiverr account, and you need to set up a gig where you're going to be transcribing people's videos or audios basically, and you're going to be using any of the websites that I just showed you to deliver that service. Now you're going to make more money as you get more orders, because you get a higher rating, and as you get a higher rating, that means you can charge more money for your services. You can charge $10 as the basic, or you can charge more money depending on how complex you want to make the offer. And you can even outsource the whole thing if you want, mainly because websites like the ones that I just showed you can do the work for you, and you can keep that profit. You're not going to get orders overnight. It does take some work, so you have to promote your gig. So one of the things that you can do to promote your gig is use social media. You can use places like Twitter. You can use Facebook groups, which is a great place to find freelancing groups which you can join and promote your gig. Now, this is not the only gig that you can do. There's multiple things that you can do. Like I said, I've made over $4,000 doing a simple design job for people, creating banners for people, and it took me 10 minutes to create. And if you want to watch that video, it's going to be linked below. But you have to be creative with what you're offering on Fiverr, and the more clients you have, you'll see that the more money you'll be able to make, because Fiverr is going to promote your gig to those people. So I hope that you found value in this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.